Well, hello everyone, and welcome to this session on creative industries reliefs. My name's David O'Keefe, and I'm going to be giving you an update on some of the changes that are coming through that have been announced recently and are in the current draft finance bill. I would just stress that these are draft. This is draft legislation. These are draft proposals. Although we have a finance bill, it is still at a very draft stage. So the point of emphasizing that is just to remember that all of these changes that I'm going to be talking about may themselves be subject to further change before they're actually enacted in the Finance Act. So do keep an eye on future changes as they come through until we get to the actual Finance Act, obviously. The reference point for the deadline has been changed, as I say, to being 2 years from the end of that period of account. And in most situations, for most companies, most of the time, that won't make any difference at all. What it will do, however, is deal with situations where companies that have perhaps failed to register for corporation tax and then HMRC find out and they issue them a notice to file. Those companies in the past may have actually ended up with more time to file their creative industries relief claim than other companies that had complied. The rules for tax relief will be included or will be in Chapter 2 of Part 14A. And there will still be a requirement for each production company or development company to have a separate trade in respect of each film, TV production, or video game as appropriate. And the company will need to elect to create that separate trade, and that election will be made in accordance with Section 1179B. And once the company has made that election and the separate trade has commenced, then the specific tax rules for the calculation of the expenditure credit will come into effect.